Okay guys, I'm going to share with you guys how I made this fufu using the purple cabbage. So if you're interested on this video, watch to the end and also help me to share, okay? So I started here with 2 medium-sized purple cabbage. I'm just going to chop it into smaller sizes and then I'm going to wash it and then use my blender to blend it very smooth. I was just looking for what I'm going to eat this afternoon. I thought of swallow and I was like, what am I going to use for this swallow today? I said, okay, let me use cabbage to make fufu. When I went to the shop, I saw this purple cabbage. I said, let me try it and see how it's going to be. So next, I'm going to wash it neatly and then I put it in the blender. I add water on it and then I'm going to blend it very smooth. This cabbage here has a lot of health benefits. You can Google it out for yourself. So guys, I blended it very smooth. Next, I am going to sieve it out using my sieve. So while I'm sieving it, I'm not going to squeeze the whole water out of it. I'm just going to squeeze a little of the water and then I'm going to transfer it into the pot and then begin the process. So next, I transfer it into the pot as you can see and then I start to stir it while my stove is on. I stir it for about 5 minutes. Then next, I am going to be making use of this oat flour. See the small quantity of oat flour I am using to bind this fufu. So I added bit by bit and I continue to stir until I get the texture I want. You can also use psyllium hack. You can also use chia seed. It's still going to give you the same result. So I added the leftover oats and then mix it up nicely. You can see at this point it started to form fufu already. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? More especially if you are diabetic, this recipe is perfect for you. Try it, you would definitely love it. See how it feels in my hands already. It feels like fufu, like apart from the color, it's fufu already. Are you going to try this recipe as well? Let me know in the comments section. And if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it. Today's special hug goes to Chika, watching me all the way from Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate. I'm going to enjoy this fufu with my ofe onubu, my bitter leaf soup I made the other day. It feels like fufu, guys. This is so nice. So I'm going to enjoy it with this bitter leaf soup. Oh, more, check it out. If you try this recipe, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. The reason I prefer cabbage fufu to a regular fufu is that when you finish eating, you don't feel heavy. Unlike our regular fufu, once you're done eating, you drink water, you start feeling sleepy. Honestly, it tastes nice. This recipe is a must try. Give it a try and come back and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and also help me to share this video. Bye.